Hi guys, in this video we are going to find out can you cancel your Zelle payment or not. So as per this article from Zelle Pay, you can only cancel a payment if the recipient hasn't yet enrolled with Zelle. You can go to your activity page within the Zelle experience, either within your mobile banking app or the Zelle app, and then you need to choose the payment that you want to cancel. There you will be able to see the option of cancel this payment. So you need to click on cancel this payment and you will have to just confirm your cancellation. But if your recipient has already enrolled with Zelle, the money is sent directly to your recipient's bank account and cannot be cancelled. So we have found out our answer that you can cancel the payment only when the person is not enrolled with Zelle and they have given you the instructions how you can cancel it. But if that person is on Zelle, then unfortunately you cannot reverse the payment or you cannot cancel it from your end. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.